Hi there, fellow greasy people. It's me, Chuck. This is Up Chuck Chops. Thanks for joining me. Slow going, but I'm a-going. And sometimes you just have to remember, you can make it. I know I gotta get you hooked in the first 30 seconds, but you're almost gone. I'm gonna do a little diagnostic poking around on the old KZ400 engine. That's what we're here for. Let's get to it. I do not know why I took on this project. I'm gonna lose money, guaranteed. I don't know if it's gonna run yet. I do have a title in my name, which is a plus. Maybe I'm one of them people that likes pain. I don't know. But I want to make an old motorcycle run like the cool people I watch on YouTube. Imitation is the greatest flattery, or something to that effect. I'm going to pull off the shift lever and open this cover up because there's lots of yucky in there. It needs cleaned out. Let's get to it. Let's get my JIS impact driver, and I bet you that's a 10 mil. Let's at least get this shifter off, lay it up here where it's nice and safe, and let's just explore a little. Well, that will never work. I thought I would be smart and use a ratcheting wrench. I am gonna have to use a regular old wrench. And that, folks, is why you coil things 8 months before you ever touch the project. I almost spoke too soon. That could have been a lot worse. So, put my screw back in so I don't lose it. And up on the bench. Now, I reckon these two come out, and then those 5 come out. And we should be able to open this up and kind of see how disgusting it is in there. And I assure you, it is disgusting. I locked the table into 4-wheel drive, and I'm telling you folks, this impact driver has been about as good money as I've spent in the shop. Maybe I need to pick. Get in there. There we go. Like I said, I'm as familiar with these engines as what you've seen me get in on them. Okay. That's interesting. I might not need to do that. That's okay. I didn't even notice that. There's a little taper to it. I wonder if it'll... Yeah, see, it doesn't really go the other way. Huh. It's like them things children play with that have the star and the block and the circle and the half moon. It's just for adults. There's 2 for 2. Here's number 3. That one's already loose. Sweet. This one looks boogered up. It might be fun. Rot-row raggy. Maybe I'll have to really send it. Oops. Oh no, that one's shot. Well, wonderful. 4 out of 5 ain't bad, I guess. What have I seen the other masters do? Cut a slit in it. I can try to Dremel the head off. Let's try a little bigger bit and see if it'll bite in there. Got it. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Look at that. Like I said, if this tool was $200, it was worth it. That's a long one. Okay, this is where it gets dicey. Gonna have to remember where they all go. You know what? I may have misspoke. There may be only 4 holding this on. It appears it should come off now. Just a little persuasion. Oh, I remember now. Okay, that's the clutch. It's clutch cable. I need to drop these guys back in where they went. Top left, top right. The one that was real ragged out goes there. Yeah, I have seen this before. See this big pile of yeah? Okay. Okay. My sprocket looks decent. That makes me happy. Just a little bit of yucky. All right, I'm gonna do a little experiment here. And I hope it doesn't break my heart. Right now, it says it's in neutral, right? That spins freely. Ah, no heartbreak. That means it's in gear. Spins freely. Second, third, fourth, fifth. Sweet. That's awesome. And it feels tight. I'm a winning. You know what? I should leave well enough alone. If you watched this far, thanks for watching. I appreciate your time. If you like this kind of thing, give me one of these. A little thumbs up button. Doesn't cost anything. And give me subscribe if you want to see more. That would be super awesome. And I'm calling her quits for the night. I'll catch you later.